Good morning, my boys and girls of the YouTubes. It is 0:30 early. No, it's not. It's 6 a.m. You're looking at the windshield of my truck. It's 6 a.m. And boy, howdy, is it dark out. So this video is an answer, sort of, though belated, for Mark at Manland 121. He asked a question some time ago: how do you make light in the nighttime for shooting nighttime videos? Well, I start off with these right here. Okay, this is a little tiny flashlight. I got this. This is a 9-volt battery, and I got this flashlight head in a sub-appreciation giveaway from, God, it's been so long since I watched any dang videos on YouTube. I'm sorry, it's so early in the morning, I'm having an absolute brain fart about remembering names. He's the one that everybody loves to watch boil water. That's all I can think of at the moment, off the top of my head. Then I got this light, which I bought at Walmart myself a long time ago. This is one of the 2 headlamps that I bought at Tractor Supply. The folding back mechanism busted loose. So I put it on a popsicle stick so I could pin it up here using safety pins and use it to direct light straight down. Or I can put it on my impromptu selfie stick, or, you know, just another way of using it. Then, of course, we've got the headlamp that I was just now wearing that I got from Jiu-Jitsu 2000 in a sub-appreciation giveaway. So, I mean, these are just 3 ways. These are just a few of the ways that I make light. I also have, I showed you a little while ago, the hurricane lantern that I have. Also, buried under my butt, sitting here in the truck, I've got a 4-cell D-cell mag light that I use sometimes. But it's nowhere near as bright as this headlamp, and the batteries are a lot more expensive for it. And it goes through the batteries a lot faster. Though this thing is a battery hog, it's not as bad as the mag light is. That should just give you some clue as to how I make light at night to shoot videos. I hope you appreciate the answer there, Manland. And as usual, peace out.
By the way, don't forget to